Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a line, construction line. Make a line here with 150 millimeters. Go to constraint midpoint, select this line and the center point here. Okay. Go to create and select the polygon. Inscribe the polygon, click here in the midpoint and then this point here. Okay, we have this. Finish the sketch. Go to offset plane, select the top plane here. The extend here, select to object, select this point here, press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this new plane, and here select a create polygon, inscribe the polygon, click here in this point. The number of sides here is 5. But here, select this point here, go to create project, include project, press OK. Go to constraints, coincident, select this point here and this point here, OK. Active the 3D sketch, select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, and make a line here between these 2 points and that line between these 2 points here. Okay, we have this face here. Now select all this line here, make this a construction line type. We have this face here. Finish the sketch. Now go to offset plane again, select the top plane and the extend here, select to object, select this point here and press OK. Go to create, select this new plane here. Go to create, select the polygon, inscribe the polygon, click here in the midpoint. The number of side here is 5. Make the same here that we made, but now to this side, select this point here. Project include, press OK. Select this point and this point here. Make this coincident. And select line. Active the 3D sketch. Make a line from this point here to this point here. Sorry. We need to active this first. Okay. We have this. Now here, select line, select this point here and this point here, this point and this point here. Make a line here. You can close here the sketch here, okay? No problem. Just to show you this face, this profile. Select line, make a line from this point here to this point here. And make a line from this point here to this point and this point to this point here. Okay. Select the other line here. This line, make this a construction line type. We will have this. Let me hide the sketch one. We have this face here, this face here, and this face here. Okay. Finish the sketch. We have this. Okay. Now here go to surface, select the patch, select this face here. Press OK. Now go to create and select the pattern, circular pattern. Select this body here, okay, this surface. The axis is the blue axis here, and the quantity here is 5. And press OK. We made this. Now go to modify, select stitch, show all this body here. Click here in the body 1, hold shift in the keyboard and click here in the body 20. We select all this body here and press OK. We made this body. Okay, just to show for you the section here. Okay, it's a full body here. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, see you in the next video. Bye bye.